there's a little area of brown that I did not put in, which is right here. It's like a little rectangle. This is a little bit darker brown right here. And this Gioconda Sepia Dark by Coley Noir. This is a little bit different from the Conte brand. Well, it's very similar, but it's not Conte brand. Seems to be a little bit darker brown, so I like that. So I'm going to put that where I see the darker browns. I'm going to put a little bit of dark brown right here. I see this little shape in here, and that's right over here. So I could literally go and point out where all of these shapes are. Okay, I'm going to erase out this other fold that I see here. This like mid value, and then right over here is this lighter area of value. So I'm going to go in there, put this lighter area of value right over here, but I'm going to try not to make it too white because it's not that much white in there. Okay, there's like a little fold right there. Put that in there. Then there's a very slightly dark area right here. Just mix that with the mid-tone value. But it's very subtle. It's not that dark. Okay, then there's this light area over here. So I think I'm going to put in a little bit of white right here, just a little bit. And then I did miss this little triangle over here. Okay. This is kind of interesting shape in here that I want to capture. And like I said, wherever there is an area of dark shading, there's an area of light that comes up right up against it. So right over here is an area of light right up against it. And I think one of the biggest important tips is when you are blending, you have to blend toward the correct side. So you gotta, if you're blending some shading in, shade it into the darker side of the line. You don't want to go and make the other side too too dark, because one side should be light on the brown paper bag drawing and one side should be dark. And there's just this little weird little heart-shaped shadow right there. So I'm just going to put that in. If I see it, I'm going to draw it. If I don't, I'm not going to draw it. Okay, so my paper bag drawing for the most part is done. Okay, I'm going to double check some of these little shadow areas. The chamois is really absorbing a lot of the Conte. Notice this Golconda pencil that's black it's not like Conte at all. It's very different. So I'm not going to use that, mix it with the Conte. I'm going to bring some of this mid-tone back over here along this edge. Like that. Okay.